Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your GPU and drivers. This matters because Premiere uses hardware decoding and effects acceleration. Once done, install the latest Premiere Pro update and restart to ensure driver handshake. Then open a project, go to File Project Settings General, and choose Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration. Qt/open/cl/metal, depending on your card. This actually moves rendering tasks to the GPU and reduces export and timeline lag. Now optimize the sequence so the GPU can work efficiently. Set renderer to GPU acceleration and enable GPU decoding in Preferences Media to offload H.264/HEVC where supported. Use GPU accelerated effects and Lumetri color to keep processing on the card. Non-accelerated plugins force CPU fallback. Also lower playback resolution to 1/2 or 1/4 when previewing complex sequences, because you still want full-quality exports while keeping interactive frame rates during edits. Finish by exporting with hardware encoding. Choose H.264 or H.265 and set encoder to hardware encoding so Premiere uses your GPU for final exports. This speeds up compressions dramatically. While exporting, monitor GPU utilization in Task Manager or Activity Monitor to confirm load. If you hit errors or crashes, update or reinstall GPU drivers. Disable third-party plugins that bypass acceleration, or temporarily switch to software encoding to isolate the issue. One quick driver rollback often fixes stability problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.